Creamy Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another luxury video. As you've already seen from the title, we are doing another luxury haul, okay, unboxing and all of that good stuff. Okay, some of these items I personally went to the store to shop them, and a few was online and one is a gift. So without any further ado, let's get into this good stuff. Yeah, so I've been saving and saving just to collect these items. I wanted a few Gucci stuffs, so let's see what we got. Okay, so this is the first thing I am gonna share with you guys today. I'm so excited for this purchase. This one I did go into the store to collect it, so let's see what it is. So I'm gonna unbox this right now because it's wrapped the way it came already. And so this is what I'm gonna be sharing with you the first. Okay. Alright, so this one was sealed, packaged nicely. So I'm gonna just open this nicely. I should have opened this on Instagram. Let me see. Yeah, so Gucci is just they use their logo to package it and seal it, you know. So this is me unboxing it in front of you guys. Okay, you can tell I'm so excited for this purchase. Okay, still wrapped again. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. Ta-da! This is what it is. Okay. I am in love, guys. I love this little purse so much. Okay. It is so cute, guys. Like, look at it. It's so cute. Super cute. I love it. Okay, all the cards are here, all the authentication card. Okay, this is Gigi Mammon Super Mini Bag, and this is what it looks like, guys. I am in love with this. I love it so much. The good thing is it can fit a phone. Okay, if it can fit a phone, then we love this, guys. I can't wait for us to be able to really go outside and party and have fun, brunch with the girls, party and all that. I love, look at the quality, like, and look at the bag, like the bag. I love this design, like on the back of the bag, the love going on here, because we need so much love in the world right now. Like, we need so much love right now. I love this. I love this gold hardware, and I love this kind of gold. It's not shiny. I'm so in love with it. Like, I wanted this for so long. Now this is what the inside looks like, and the good thing is you can wear this as a waist bag. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. You can wear it on your waist, and Gucci is crested on here. And I just love the feel of the leather. It's not strong. Alright, there you go. You can put this strap. Okay, let me show you. Alright, if you're hanging it is this way. If you want to wear it as a waist bag, you just have to, you know, bring both chains together, turn it all around, and bring this out and just, yeah, put it here. And there you go. You got it as a waist bag. I love it. It's so versatile. I can wear it as a waist bag, and I can wear it crossbody, or I can put this on. Let me show you guys another. It is so versatile. Like, you can wear it, I think, 3 ways or 4 ways. Like, I love when a bag is versatile, that I can rock a bag anywhere I want, like anyhow I want to. So you can wear it this way too. Next up, guys, is going to be another purchase. Now this one I got it online. I wanted this for so long and I wanted it in black, but you guys, I don't know, I couldn't get this in black, but I got this on sale, which is very, very good. Like, this is what we're talking about. Alexander Wang Nova PVC heel. The dust bag is just a basic white dust bag. Alexander Wang is crested on here. And okay, this is the receipt. This one is from Nordstrom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these babies. Like, can we take a moment for these babies? It is so fancy. I wanted this so bad, but I couldn't get the black one, which I wanted earlier. But guys, this pink one is so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. It's pink. I don't know if it looks white on the screen, but it is not white. It is big, like pink. Okay, it is a light pink. And I love it. I love it. I love it. It's just the pink color is not too deep. It's pale pink. And the silver storage, I don't have too many silver things in my closet, like too many silver accessories or silver bags, so I'm just gonna have to check or try to buy a silver small bag online. It doesn't have to be a luxury bag. And this is a size 38 and it fits true to size. And I love, yo, take a closer look at these heels, guys. I wish you can do a 360 kind of thing, you know. I love this. My favorite. It's gonna be my favorite heel this summer canceled. I don't know, but I'm gonna rock it a lot. Whether at home, I'm gonna rock it. Just look at for this. Follow me on Instagram if you're not. Okay. Alright, so next up is this perfume. Y'all know there's no, like, I'm not gonna do any luxury unboxing without a perfume, and there you go. This is a perfume for this. This is Amouage. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Amouage Interlude. Now this one is a gift and it's for men. I love me some men perfume. Like, I love strong perfumes. I love strong scents. If you know me, you know I'm a fan of oud scent, oud strong scent. This one is one of those perfumes you want your man to get, or you want to own. Like, this smells expensive. You can smell it on you the whole week. You can wash your clothes and it still smells like it. Like, that's how strong it is. It smells expensive. If you want to gift your man a perfume, go for this first before any other perfume. Amouage Interlude. Let me unbox this because it was a gift. That royal goodness. Look at this royal goodness, guys. Come on. Oh, I love the packaging, the boxing. It's expensive. Like I say, I love the bottle. It's amazing. Okay, and I love that it's blue. It's royalty, and Interlude is crested on the side. Interlude on this side, and I love this stand for it. I love this. This is what Dubai smells like, okay? If you're wondering what Dubai smells, if you've never been to Dubai and you're wondering what Dubai Mall smells like, it's this, okay? And period, okay? So on to the next one, which is this big bag here beside us. I know you've been wondering, ooh, what are we gonna see in there? Guys, this is it, the humongous big Gucci bag. Okay, so now let's unbox this bad boy. So let's open this and see what we got in here. Okay, so we got the Gucci authentic cards, authentication cards, and this is leather upper and rubber sole leaf forward or life forward narrow sandals. Okay, I wanted this for so long, so it came with a dust bag. Came with 2 Gucci dust bags inside, and I love that. Alright, this is what we got. Okay, this is the next thing we got in there. So I wanted this for so long. Even when I was still back home in Nigeria, I wanted to get it up. How fancy and cute is this? I bought this for this summer, but the way it looks like summer is gonna be canceled, and I'm so mad right now. Like, but I don't even care. I'm still gonna be rocking my slides. Oh, not slides, my sandals. I love this. Look at that Gigi. It goes with my Mama Gigi bag, the mini one. I love this. Gucci is crested on here. That is what the back looks like. Still from the humongous bag. Okay. Yes, it comes in that type of box too. Let's see what it's, let's see what's inside, because I forgot the things that I got. I'm super excited, I tell. It's the last one, but we saved the best for the last. This perfume, oh my god. This is what we got in here. What is that sound? What we got in here, and I want to bring this back out so bad. You can really, I know you all can already tell what this is. Alright, let's see. Alright, you guys, so this is it. Ta-da! I got me a belt, finally. Okay, yeah. Finally got me the GG, double GG almond belt. I don't know if it's called almond or not, but finally got me the double GG mammon. I was right. So anything double GG is mammon. Yeah, finally got me that, and in a size 80. Yeah, size is 80, I guess. Where is the size? Yeah, it's, let me see. Yeah, size 80, and I wanted this belt for so long. What is that? Okay, so that's the label right there, and I love it. It's just size 80, in case you are wondering what size to get or what size you're using me, to get yours. I got size 80, and if you want to buy it online. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for this video. If you love videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, your families, your loved ones, and watch other videos. Watch this one right here. Watch this one right here. Don't go anywhere. Take your popcorn, grab a snack, grab a wine. If you got one, y'all know I always got my wine glass by my side. Grab a popcorn, sit down, binge, watch our other videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. But for now, bye. Don't forget to go out and vote. I love you guys. Love you a long time. Bye, y'all.